And there you go, he's still in his clover leaf. And I believe he's going to be going into inverted right now. This should be the tail section of the goldfish.
Ladies and gentlemen, think of the first fish that you drew as a child. It's like a half circle with a pointed tail and a little triangle at the end. That's exactly what this maneuver is going to be shaped like.
And down the goldfish into a split S. I think. Okay. Straight into his loop. That was a wedge rather than split S. Into a loop. And he's probably going to go ballistic into a hammerhead.